All right, there you got it. Mushrooms, eggplant, a whole bunch of that fake crab meat made out of Alaskan pollock, a bunch of olive oil, a little bit of chipotle pepper, and some garlic salt. Cooking chambers at about 280 Celsius and at almost 300 right underneath the heater. Here we go. Oops, we missed a little bit there. Smells like frying fish. Be more careful when you dump it in when it's hot. Seven minutes later, what do we got going on here? It's looking pretty good. Like I'm cooking it. Just seeing a lot of conductivity from the walls, more than from the ground. It's been about 25 minutes. You see a whole lot of steam come up. It looks like everything's thoroughly cooked. Trying to pull this guy out. Kind of heavy, a lot of food there. There it is. Now we just throw in some leftover rice to heat up. A little bit of water. And in it goes. A few minutes later, and that rice is ready to go, steaming away. So everything looks super good. Actually, everything tastes really good.